gentlemen, we're bringing to the stage Mr. Amaziyah the Great. Woo!
Right. We send out to domestic abuse. I don't want to name the bitterness. Like a toddler crying for mom's breast milk, saw tears raced her in her bony face. She was pensive and motionless, like she was lost in space. She then broke the silence, screaming out, "I'm such a big disgrace." Quickly interjected, "Honey, what's wrong?" She yelled, "Get the hell out of my space. All you men are just the same. Cheat, lies, you all take love for a game. Hate men forever. I should have killed Trevor, yeah, put a bullet through his brain. Baby, y'all take this too far now. Are you drunk or insane? Craig, you're not gonna understand me, you can't feel my pain. I was raped when I was 9. It really shattered my mind. A decade after, I tried to move on to get myself back in line. Thought Tom was the best thing until he slept with my sister. So I made love to his best friend and WhatsApp him the flipping picture. All my life I've been hurt, late to start attending church, searching for comfort, but life grew worse. Few months after, she was impregnated by a comforting pastor, threatened to do an abortion or else her life would be a disaster. I tried to convince her, telling her she's still precious and worth more than diamonds and gold. She says she still hates men, her heart is now cold. I offered a hug, she squeezed me tightly, saying thank you Mr. Kirkland for attempting to make me feel lively. But how will I live with the fact of knowing that I'm infected with HIV, the bitterness? Oh, wow.